The direction of the Supreme Court of India on completion and occupancy. Certificate in Civil Appeal number 14, 1600, 4 of 2024. The following guidelines are to enable the High Courts to refer it, while considering the disputes relating to unauthorized construction, deviation, violation of building permission, plan, etc. Further, all the state UT governments shall issue circulars to all the local authorities, corporations, intimating them about the directions issued by this court and for strict compliance. The order direction. Number 1. While issuing the building planning permission, an undertaking be obtained from the builder / applicant, as the case may be, to the effect that possession of the building will be entrusted and/or handed over to the owners beneficiaries only after obtaining completion the occupation certificate from the authorities concerned. Direction number 2. The builder developer owner shall cause to be displayed at the construction site a copy of the approved plan during the entire period of construction, and the authorities concerned shall inspect the premises periodically and maintain a record of such inspection in their official records. Direction number 3. Upon conducting personal inspection and being satisfied that the building is constructed in accordance with the building planning permission given and there is no deviation in such construction in any manner, the completion / occupation certificate in respect of residential / commercial building be issued by the authority concerned to the parties concerned without causing undue delay. If any deviation is noticed, action must be taken in accordance with the Act and the process of issuance of completion. Occupation certificate should be deferred unless and until the deviations pointed out are completely rectified. Direction number 4. All the necessary service connections such as electricity, water supply, sewerage connection, etc. shall be given by the service provider board to the buildings only after the production of the completion occupation certificate. Direction number 5. Even after issuance of completion certificate, deviation, violation, if any contrary to the planning permission, brought to the notice of the authority, immediate steps be taken by the said authority concerned in accordance with law against the builder, owner, occupant, and the official who is responsible for issuance of wrongful completion occupation certificate shall be proceeded departmentally forthwith. Direction number 6. No permission license to conduct any business trade must be given by any authorities, including local bodies of states, union territories, in any unauthorized building, irrespective of it being residential or commercial building. Direction number 7. The development must be in conformity with the zonal plan and usage. Any modification to such zonal plan and usage must be taken by strictly following the rules in place and in consideration of the larger public interest and the impact on the environment. Direction number 8. Whenever any request is made by the respective authority under the planning department local body for cooperation from another department to take action against any unauthorized construction, the latter shall render immediate assistance and cooperation, and any delay or dereliction would be viewed seriously. The state's UT must also take disciplinary action against the erring officials once it is brought to their knowledge. Direction number 9. In the event of any application, appeal, revision being filed by the owner or builder against the non-issuance of completion certificate, or for regularization of unauthorized construction or rectification of deviation, etc., the same shall be disposed of by the authority concerned, including the pending appeals, revisions, as expeditiously as possible, in any event not later than 90 days as statutorily provided. Direction number 10. If the authorities strictly adhere to the earlier directions issued by this court and those being passed today, they would have deterrent effect, and the quantum of litigation before the tribunal courts relating to house, building constructions would come down drastically. Hence, necessary instructions should be issued by all the state UT governments in the form of circular to all concerned with a warning that all directions must be scrupulously followed and failure to do so will be viewed seriously, with departmental action being initiated against the erring officials as per law. Direction number 11. Banks, financial institutions shall sanction loan against any building as a security only after verifying the completion occupation certificate issued to a building on production of the same by the parties concerned. Direction number 12. The violation of any of the directions would lead to initiation of contempt proceedings in addition to the prosecution under the respective laws. The order was pronounced on the 17th day of December 2024.